नमस्ते, जय जगन्नाथ. कैसे हो आप लोग? I hope you people are doing good. In this blog, I'm going to share one good thing you should follow in your kitchen and one recipe. In East India, we call it amba khota. You can say in other word like instant mango pickle, and it's very tasty. You should try this recipe in your kitchen if you have not tried it. Cooking process mostly same रहता है. The difference is only the ingredients what we are going to add. Little bit आगे पीछे होता है, and we like to follow that person and his way of her way of cooking, which is comfortable to us. So I hope you are going to like my way and try this recipe. Before starting my recipe part, I just want to share one good thing. Let's start now. Welcome to my kitchen now. I just want to say, if you people are using non-stick cookware, just shift to stainless cookware. Avoid non-stick cookware as much as you can. As we all know, the stainless steel is made up of iron-based metal, so its iron is very good for health. I am using this kadhai, and it's like for the brand is Borosil. It's a very good brand, and its look is also very good. Pressure cooker. I have a good experience in cooking with this pressure cooker. And this is Borosil Handi, and it's another excellent product. Stainless steel has many benefits. First, it is long durable, heat resistance, and it does not react with food. So if it does not react with food, it does not leaches out chemicals into the food. Stainless steel has lot of benefit than non-stick cookware. That's why I'm suggesting you to use stainless cookware. I hope you people like my today's little bit like knowledgeable topic which I share with you, which you should follow in your kitchen. And then let's start with our recipe. And if you like my today's vlog, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. फ्रेंड्स, मेरी रेसिपी के लिए आम खट्टा के लिए हमें चाहिए मैंगो, raw mango. Now mango seasons are coming, so you'll easily get this raw mango. And gur, jaggery, whole red chili. फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मैंगो को अच्छे से वॉश करके फिर उसको हम लोग कट इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस आपको जैसे चाहिए साइज़ के अनुसार, जैसे छोटा पीस बड़ा पीस यू कैन कट. So let's first cut the mango. Like this you can cut. ये बहुत इजी रेसिपी है और इसमें टाइम भी ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है. सो जैसे हम लोग ये साइड में काट के इसको बाउल में भी डाल देंगे. इसमें हम भी ऐसे काट लेंगे आप. Let's start with our recipe. And जैसे cut mango ready है. Mustard oil will be good for cooking this recipe. If you don't have mustard oil, use refined oil, that's fine. So let's start now. First pour some amount of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Then we will leave this gur for into the oil for melting. Another piece according to your taste of sugar level. Then we will stir it. Till it's melt down. Then we'll add little bit of jeera seeds. Then stir it slowly. मीडियम या लो फ्लेम में ही कुक कीजिएगा, जैसे बर्न ना हो जाए. माय स्मेल इज कमिंग आउट. It's better to cook in low flame so that the gur will be melt nicely. अगर आपको क्रश करके गुड़ डाल के मेल्ट करोगे that will be also fine because it will melt easily. मैंने यहाँ पे जैसे पीसेस लिया है तो लिटिल प्रेशर आई हैव यूज टू मेल्ट द जागरी. Add mango pieces into it and cook it. Mix it well and cook it. आपको चाहिए तो थोड़ा पानी ऐड कर सकते हो आप. So everything will mix well if you add water. It almost mixed well now. Then we are going to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt into it and stir it. अगर मिक्सिंग के टाइम में स्पून में अगर कुछ जागरी पेस्ट स्टिक हो गया है तो उसको अनदर स्पून या फोक के द्वारा उसको थोड़ा निकाल दीजिए. Allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes so the mango pieces will be cooked well. Finally, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or more jaggery into it. As per your sugar taste and mix it well. Cover and cook for more 1 minute. Now ये रेड चिली को अभी रोस्ट करके मैं क्रश कर लूँगी. crushed chili is done now. Mango is cooked now. Finally, add the chili flakes, crushed chili flakes into it and stir it well. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes so that the jaggery fluid, liquid will be more thicker. When the good liquid is little bit thick, add pinch of hing powder into it. Then stir it well. See, the mango pickle, Ambo Khata is ready. Transfer into a glass jar, a bowl. And enjoy. Ambo Khata is ready. I hope you like this vlog, and thanks for watching till the end. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.